If you want to change icon color on Redmi 15, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we can scroll down a little bit and go to personalization. Over here, you should be able to find icons option. So let's go over here. And then you can find the background color option. So if you go over here, you can choose one of these 4 colors. And you might be able to change colors for certain apps that actually are supported by this feature. So let's say I'm going to choose brown. And now if I go back to the home screen, as you can see, some apps have changed colors. Unfortunately, many third-party apps do not support this feature, so they still look the same. So if you want to change the appearance of all icons, then most likely you want to actually go to themes instead, and you want to download a theme that has a cool looking icon theme. So let's say we're gonna go over here. This is how icons look like in this case. So if you want to use it, we can go and download. And before we apply this theme, we're gonna go to customize, and we want to switch to icons only. So uncheck everything and just keep icons and press apply. And there we go. Still, some apps look the same, but many apps actually changed the appearance. So you can maybe try something that that changes every app icon. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.